Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I am here to tell you all about a discount and what we're going to be doing over the next couple of days. So I'm really excited that you're watching this video so that you can kind of stay tuned for some of the changes that from Tuesday to Thursday we will have on the channel and on hookedonpickin.com. So here's what's going on. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. If you haven't tuned in to Hooked on Pickin recently, we have been talking about taking a trip to Texas. Many of you know that a few years ago we went to the ASD Market Week. A is in Apple, S is in Sam, D is in dog, Market Week in Las Vegas. Well, because of the COVID restrictions, they're not having the big convention in Las Vegas. They're actually doing a road show. So they're actually going to do one in Orlando in April and then another one on the West Coast. I believe it's in Phoenix, Arizona. We're going to the Dallas, Texas one. We will be there Wednesday and Thursday for the ASD Road Show. And our goal in going there is to find new wholesalers and liquidators. But because you guys won't get to see the regular unboxings, we're offering you a discount on the hookedonpickin.com store. Every single item on the store will be discounted, even my reseller helps. You're going to get 10% off if at checkout in the coupon promo code area, you just simply put ASD. You're going to automatically get 10% off anything in the store. So I would definitely say go to hookedonpickin.com from Tuesday to Thursday and you will get that discount. Now, what are we going to be doing at ASD Market Week? Well, Paul and I are both going to go. We definitely want to find new liquidators. So you guys love to watch our unboxings. We love to do the unboxings. And to be honest, as a reseller, that's where the majority of our profit comes from when it comes to reselling. And so we want to find some new liquidators. You have seen us unbox bulk.com, via trading, 888 lots, Smartlots, I think Ninja Wholesale, Honcho Wholesale, which I have a promo code for, so check that out if you haven't been to Honcho in a while, and many other various liquidators. But we want to find some more. Now that we have a reseller's license, it kind of has opened up the world a little bit to us, and so we want to find some more, so we'll be on the hunt for them, of course. But then we also want to find wholesalers. We love being able to resell brand new product and being able to buy it as a reseller. We can offer it to you as a steep discount on hookedonpickin.com. We put some of our liquidation items that are in brand new condition on hookedonpickin.com, but we also put wholesale items on hookedonpickin.com. So check those out. We've recently put a bunch of new stuff on there, so check out some of the fun things. Make sure you check out the Pickin's mystery boxes. Those are amazing. And everybody who has gotten one has given us rave reviews. And if you get one, we would love to see you unbox any of our Pickin's mystery boxes, no matter the category. So anyway, so we want to get wholesale items. Now, here's where you guys get to interact. I would love to know on this video, because we will be looking at the comments on our way down to Texas from this video. What kind of stuff do you want us to get on hookedonpickin.com? If there's something that you're interested in that we would sell on hookedonpickin.com, what is it? What would you love to see a plethora of on hookedonpickin.com? I know you guys have been loving the toys we've been putting on there. You guys love the clothing we've been putting on there, especially some of the fun seasonal stuff. But what else would you love to see that we don't have readily available and you wish we would carry it? I definitely want to go as, look for what my customers want. There's also a really cool part about us driving to this ASD road show. Normally we fly when we go to Vegas, or we were going to fly when we were going to go to Orlando, but unfortunately we couldn't work the Orlando dates out, so we're going to Texas. And because we're into Texas, it's only a 10-hour drive. We're actually going to take our own vehicle. And because we're taking our own vehicle, we get to basically take advantage of the cash and carry section more than we normally would. When we would fly, we would be limited in space, or we would have to UPS it back to ourselves, the product we buy. Everybody at the road show normally does orders. So you put it in order, it gets shipped to your location later. But they have a whole section of sellers that sell via cash and carry. So these are items that are maybe discontinued, maybe overstock, and various different reasons why they have them offered at the cash and carry section. And it's simply You walk to the cash and carry section. You have cash in hand, whether it's you buy off your business card or you actually pay legitimate dollar cash, and you get to walk out with the product that second. And so that's really, really a fun part that we're looking forward to. And we can buy a ton of stuff since we're taking a small SUV down to Texas. So we're really excited to see what we're going to be bringing back. Make sure you watch the store over the weekend, because from probably Friday to Monday, I'll be loading all of our cash and carry items onto hookedonpickin.com. So you'll be able to check that out. So again, just because we're not doing unboxings, we wanted to offer you a discount on hookedonpickin.com. So make sure you go to hookedonpickin.com and use the discount code A as in Apple, S as in Sam, D as in dog, ASD. That's all you have to type in, and you will get 10% off of every single thing that you have in your cart. Even the consultation phone calls, the reseller helps, the Poshmark E-book, as well as all of the fun clothing, toys, handbags, and miscellaneous items that you find on hookedonpickin.com. So hopefully that gives you some fun.
We'll do live stream.
Also, just so you know, over the next couple of days, because we're not doing unboxings, we will be doing live streams from the ASD Market Week. Now, most likely what's going to happen is we will not put out our original noontime video. We'll be busy shopping and finding new wholesalers and liquidators at the conference, but what we'd like to do is every evening, probably around 8 or 9 p.m., do a live stream and a Q&A with you guys, let you know what exactly we saw. We will probably be taking some pictures while we're there to be able to put together a compilation that I'll show you this weekend. But we will not be doing a regular noon unboxings, but we'll be doing live stream while we're there. We may do it a couple of times throughout the day. So we might be live streaming like at noon, and then later we'll live stream in the evening. So definitely in the evening time, we'll put out a live stream. You can always watch it the next day, but we love to have you actually online so that we can answer those Q&As. So make sure you have that notification bell turned on. So anytime Hooked on Pickin goes live, you will be notified about it. So hopefully you guys have fun watching us kind of peruse the ASD Market Week, find out what we come home with, being able to watch a compilation video, and of course, leave comments down in the comment section below of what you would like to see from the ASD Market Week, and also what you would like as far as wholesale items to be put on hookedonpickin.com. So I'm really, really excited, if you couldn't tell by my excitement in my voice, to be taking this trip and being able to have the ability to do so. If you're going to be in Dallas, please send me an email. I would love to connect with you guys and actually meet you guys face to face at the Market Week. So hopefully it's been fun to hear what we're going to be doing over the next couple of days. Stay tuned to the channel so you can have fun with us. And of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Leave some comments down in the comments section about anything you heard in this video. And of course, don't forget about the ASD discount, 10% off the entire store at hookedonpickin.com. Make sure you go there and find some fun things.